Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that every gamer and streamer should consider adding to their arsenal, the FIFINE AmpliGame D6+V3 gaming controller and capture card kit. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the FIFINE AmpliGame D6+V3? This versatile kit combines a gaming controller with a 4K capture card, alongside a streaming keyboard that features 15 customizable shortcuts. It's designed to elevate your gaming and streaming experience, whether you're playing on a Switch, Xbox, PS5, or PC. Let's talk about some of the standout features. First off, the 15 customizable macro keys are a game changer. They allow you to toggle between scenes, respond to chat, and share highlights without ever breaking focus from your gameplay. This means you can streamline repetitive tasks and boost your productivity, even during those downtime moments. Next, the plug-and-play functionality of this kit is incredibly convenient. It comes preloaded with software that features various plugins tailored to different gaming genres. Whether you're into fast-paced shooters or immersive RPGs, these plugins will enhance your overall gaming and streaming experience. One of the most impressive aspects of the FIFINE AmpliGame D6+V3 is its real-time transmission capabilities. Thanks to USB 3.0 output supporting 1080p, you can enjoy seamless and lag-free gameplay. The 4K capture card ensures that you won't experience the frustration of delayed responses or buffering. This is particularly crucial for fast-paced games where every millisecond counts. When it comes to visuals, this capture card offers 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. This means you can immerse yourself in stunning high-definition graphics, making every detail pop on your screen. For streamers, this feature is essential for maintaining audience engagement with crystal-clear broadcasts. And let's not forget about the RGB lighting, which enhances your gaming atmosphere. With 9 vibrant modes to choose from, you can easily match the lighting to your mood or create a unique ambience for your setup. Adjusting the lighting is simple, allowing you to personalize your gaming environment in a way that reflects your style. So, who is the FIFINE AmpliGame D6